Welcome to Tampah Hills and the new house tour of Villa Gem. It's a 4-bedroom villa and we're parking upstairs and you're passing a private yoga shala next to the green canyon here in the back. Here we have 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms overlooking the west and the ocean to the south. Outside the bedrooms we have a large outdoor lounge area where you can sit. The breeze up here is amazing, and here you can see the beautiful woodwork with the screens. So the bedrooms have a nice concrete, bare concrete look and very spacious bathrooms. So this beautiful shower with the polished concrete backdrop. You have a small internal garden and yeah, just a beautiful space. So walking down from the 2 bedrooms upstairs, we're coming down to a new outdoor lounge area, also with a lovely breeze. And here you have clear view over the ocean, reaching a new social area here. It has views to the canyon in the back and then clear views to the ocean here to the south. And again, a fantastic breeze out here with the wood screens. And bedrooms in here, we have 2 spacious bedrooms next to each other, both with ensuite bathrooms. And in here it's also an experience with the wood screens and the light coming through to this internal garden here with a rain shower. Yeah, beautiful. Here you have this wide stair down to the social areas with sunbeds here, an outdoor shower, a pool, deep pool you can lap, and the kids section, and into the heart of the villa with the kitchen and the living room. And coming in here to the kitchen with a large dining table and a sunken sofa here, so you can just relax and look at the ocean. Out here you have an infinity pool with a lap section and a kids section, and another sunken sofa where you can just sit and relax. So what's amazing with this villa is that it's facing west, so endless of sunsets, and you have buildings that are orientated to different directions. You have new perspectives wherever you are.